Hey everyone, I'm Flavia Brown, the nurse practitioner at Self Skin Studio. Let's talk about Botox. Let's talk about what Botox actually feels like, because I get this question all the time. If you've ever been curious, but maybe a little nervous, I want to walk you through exactly what the experience is like, start to finish. That way you know exactly what to expect when you come in. So first, we always start off with a very comprehensive assessment and consultation. This is one of my favorite parts because it's actually really collaborative. We're looking at your face together as a team, how you move, which muscles are stronger, even your natural anatomy at rest and in motion. I'll have you make a few funny faces or expressions, like frowning, raising your brows, scrunching your nose, so I can see how everything is functioning. From there, I'll walk you through a treatment plan that's tailored specifically to you and your goals. Some people want a very soft, natural, refreshed look, while others may want a little bit more smoothing, and we can customize that completely. Once we move into your treatment, I'll start by cleansing your skin really well. I like to use Puricin. Then I use very, very tiny needles to place precise amounts of Botox into specific muscle groups. And I always tell my patients, this is not a big, scary needle moment. It truly just feels like a quick, small pinch. Most people are honestly surprised at how easy it is. The entire appointment is really quick. If we're treating multiple areas, you're still usually in and out in about 15 to 30 minutes, which makes it such an easy thing to fit into your normal routine, day to day. Right after the injections, you'll notice small bumps. I like to call them mosquito bites at all the injection sites where I poked. That's completely normal. They typically go down in about 20 minutes or so. Occasionally you could get a little bit of bruising, but that's pretty minimal and not super common. As far as results go, Botox is not instant. It takes a few days to start kicking in, so expect around 5 to 7 days when you start noticing it to kick in, and then it'll be at peak strength or full effect in about 2 weeks. On average, your results should last about 3 to 4 months depending on the person and depending on the dosage. There's also newer options out there like Daxxify, which for some patients can last a little bit longer, but again, really depends on the individual metabolism and your overall muscle activity. One thing I like to educate on is consistency. The more regularly you maintain your treatments, the more you can actually train those muscles over time. And that's where you start to really see those beautiful long-term skin benefits. And I want to say this too. At Self, we really like to prioritize your safety and your comfort. If you're someone who's nervous about needles, you're not alone in that regard. Really, really common, and we're here to help. But the fear is almost always bigger than the actual experience itself, and we'll meet you where you are. Whether that means going extremely slow, talking you through each and every step in order to ensure that you're comfortable, and just making you feel supported the entire time. So, if you've been thinking about Botox but weren't quite sure what it is, what it feels like, I hope this gives you a little clarity and some peace of mind. And of course, if you have any questions or you want to book a consultation, you can head to our link below. So the link is in our description, and it's selfskinstudio.com. We would be absolutely ecstatic to take good care of you. Hope this helps. Thank you.